Can I try to open it? Let me see. Open the Vicks first. You want to play with your guitar? Okay, fine. Let's go play with your guitar. Where's your guitar? Right here. Oh. Oh. I thought you said you want your guitar. Oh. Oopsie. You okay? Ah, good job. Oh, here's your guitar. Oh, let's sing. 5, 6. Oopsie. 5, 6, 7, 8. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up, up, above the world, so high, like. You're so crazy. Oh, bowling na. Open the Vicks first. Let me see you open the Vicks. Let me see you open the Vicks first. Come here. Right here, huh? Come on. Open the Vicks. Show mommy how you open the Vicks. You have to put everything in it. See? What does the Hulk say? Open it.
Oh no.